Yo, what's happening, guys? So I want to be showing you in today's video a YouTube niche that pretty much is a very evergreen niche. It has lots of demand and you only have to compete with a handful of channels the way that I'm going to be showing you. So this will never fade out. People will always be searching for these types of things, and let's just get into it. So people come to the YouTube search bar right here and they are gamers, okay? People that play a lot of video games. This could be just casual gamers, because this could be streamers, this could be people that just watch games online. So what they'll type into the search bar is things like new PlayStation games, okay, and then they'll hit search, and what you'll find is you'll get all these channels doing the reviews of the upcoming games that launch on either PlayStation, PC, Xbox, and things like that. So like the 18 new PS5 games, 20 biggest new PS5 games, and 16 new PS5 games, and so on. So this is a pretty good niche, and you can see the view counts on these. You can see I've got the next level extension right here. And this channel just has 39.6 thousand subscribers, and they got 347 views per hour on this video. This video was posted a day ago and it already has 8.5 thousand views. So you see the big channels right here with 1.3 million. This one is actually the top ranking video and it only has 31,000 subscribers, 187 views per hour, and 18k views in the last 4 days, which is pretty good. So if you are really early on these new upcoming games, and these release like on a weekly basis, so you'll never actually run out of content. And you can do this for PlayStation, like I said, PC, PS5, the Nintendo Switch, Nintendo Wii, and you can build like an empire of channels that cover all these different games. I'll be going over how you can make these videos and how you can get this outsourced so you can run a full YouTube automation team creating these videos for you. But I came across this niche because this is something that's very interesting to me. You can see here that you'll get a lot of, if we go to the search bar and we type new PlayStation games, you can see that it is a search result right here. So you're going to be getting a lot of views from YouTube search if you rank number 1, 2, 3, 4 all the way up to number 10. And you're going to get a lot of views from browse features, because that's just the way these channels operate. You can see with this video 4 days ago, 18k views in 4 days. That's going to be a little bit difficult to get with just YouTube search. But what you do with these channels is you build up an audience of subscribers, and they watch a lot of your content. So you'll find like the new viewers are only 50% and the regular returning viewers are somewhere between 50 and 60% on these channels, which is really good. So let's go into some of these channels and see what sort of numbers they're doing. Okay, so this is new PlayStation 5 games. This is the channel that I showed you, Octrix, 39.6 thousand subscribers. They've just done 454 videos. You can see they're all monetized. Let's just go ahead and watch one of these videos to see how you would recreate this.
March 2026 is absolutely stacked, and I've been going through every single release this month has to offer, so you don't have to. From Crimson Desert to Death Stranding to finally hitting PC, this is genuinely one of the at this scale.
So you can see they just compile all this footage of these upcoming games. You can simply source this from YouTube itself. Then they do a voiceover. I believe this is even just an AI voiceover. So you can either get a voiceover with like 11 Labs, or you can do your own voiceover, or you can hire someone to do the voiceover for you. And the way that you get the scripts for these videos is you can get the new game title. You can plug that into ChatGPT. So let's just go here and I'll show you. If we go to Death Stranding 2, okay, what you can do is you can open up ChatGPT, and then what you can ask ChatGPT is something like this. So I just did a simple prompt. ChatGPT is going to know exactly what Death Stranding 2 is, and it says give me a 500-word script on the new game Death Stranding 2, because this will be a portion of our video. Okay, so there it goes. It actually searches the web for the information, and here's the script. So you can just read this off, or get someone to read that for you, or plug that into 11 Labs, and there you go, you have your script. So let's go ahead and take a look at this channel. That's how you would create the videos, and it's really simple. You can see they're posting 1 day ago, 3 days ago, 5 days ago, and getting really good views. We can go here to analytics and reveal how many views they're getting, and they're getting 685,000 views. Okay, and if you take a look at the videos, you'll see that they're long form videos, which are like 30 minutes. So the RPM is going to be pretty decent. So 685,000 views. This one channel makes about $2,000 per month, which is really good. Okay, we can take a look at another channel. This channel right here is called Next Gen Gamers. Okay, very similar to the previous channel, 31,000 subscribers, 285 videos. So you can see that if you post daily, these channels have recently started, okay, or like a year ago. So 1.7K 1 day ago, 6.7K, 17K. And like I said, these are long videos, so the RPM is going to be pretty decent. So we can go ahead, check the analytics of this one. We'll reveal how many views they're getting per month. And these channels can blow up if you just get like 1 or 2 good videos to hit the algorithm. You can really establish yourself in the niche. So this channel gets 1.4 million views a month, and that'll be like 4.5K. This is gaming, so even though the videos are long, they'll have a good RPM. It will be slightly lower than what you typically expect, but I'll take 4.5K just to do these simple YouTube automation videos. It's a really good side income. And here's another channel. I'm not looking at big channels in this video. If you start this niche, you're not going to be a big channel. So what you need to do is look at and analyze these small channels. So we can see 59,000 subscribers, 522 videos, and these are all the new games coming out. This could be PC, I believe. Okay, so it doesn't say. Let's go look at this. You can do it for any console or whatever you want, but they're just explaining the general games, and we can go and analyze the views. We'll reveal the views right here, and they're getting 830,000 views per month, and that'll be $4,000, which is once again a very good income to be able to earn. Now I don't know if the RPM will be accurate. It definitely won't be $5. Okay, so you're looking at anywhere between 3 to 4K per month if you're getting these types of views, which is really good. Now the tip would be to, if you want to get into this niche, would be to create your first 30 videos, see how they do. And if you know that notice your videos are lacking a bit in views, what you can do is target you want to try be first when these new games are coming out. So if you can do your video like a month before the game releases, you just want to stay on this niche and you want to look out for when the games release and do your video early, so you can position yourself in front of everyone, so you can get the views like you saw on this example, where the top video in the search result is a channel with 31,000, and then the second result is so you can actually beat channels with like 1.3 million views, which is really good. So if you're early, you're going to be winning. And this is great because if you know, like the typical how to apps niche, it's very saturated. All the topics have been done a million times, but these games are fresh, they're trending, people search for this, and you're going to get boosted by the algorithm as your subscribers watch this, like the video, comment for more information, so you can really build a sustainable channel like this. If you want more daily breakdowns of channels where you can execute and go ahead and follow along and maybe potentially do the channel yourself, go ahead, like this video, subscribe, because I'm going to be doing these videos daily. Let me know if you want daily videos or like 3 times per week, and if you want to join a community of like-minded YouTubers all on this journey together. Click the first link in the video description to join my 100% free school community, and I'll see you in the next video.